Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna be making
buffalo wraps, buffalo lettuce wraps,
buffalo chicken wraps.
Buffalo chicken wraps. My bad. We're gonna make those today, and here are the ingredients.
So for our ingredients, we have our Boston butter lettuce. Then we also have our tomatoes. We're using heirloom grape tomatoes. And then we have some house-made buffalo chipotle sauce. And we're going to use some flour tortillas, avocados, and some mozzarella style vegan shredded cheese. So these are the vegan chicken cutlets. They're grain and wheat, quinoa. You can get them from Target, Kroger, Whole Foods in the freezer section.
And these are plant-based meat, so we're using those for our own reasons. But you guys can just use your regular chicken strips, and just add your own chicken strips to it, to this ingredient that we already have, and it should match up pretty much with the recipe. Alright, so this is our finished product. These are, you can see the buffalo chicken wraps. You can see the chicken in the middle, and we have our buffalo sauce wrapped all around it, and the avocado is falling out right there, so they're fully loaded. And this is it. We have the mozzarella cheese also in there.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Like and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat.
Please check out the links on our channel. The channel has all the links to all our social media. If you have any business inquiries, our email is on there also. And I think I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, and check for other playlists that we're gonna have coming. We have a lot of variety of things coming.